recording is start now. So already uploaded the data and go to the sheet. Fine. And let's check for the data. Alright. So data is already here. Now go to the sheet. So start with this module 6, which is about the working with the filter in a Tableau. So filter means addition and removal. Okay. Filter in a Tableau help you to display only required data from a data set. Alright. Why filter are used? Focus on important data, remove unnecessary record, improve dashboards interaction, analyze specific categories, reason, date, etc. So how to add a filter? So open a Tableau worksheet, already we have opened. Then drag a field to the filter cell. This is a filter cell here. Then select required value and click OK. Okay, fine. So example, technology category from the superstore data. Fine. So for that I am going to choose this data. Okay. Sum of sales into the column and sum of category to the rows. Sum of sales into the column and subcategory. Where is the subcategory? Subcategory to the rows. Okay. So we see accessories, appliances, art, blinder, bookcase, chair, copier, envelope, everything. Okay. So now if you want, we can drag the things and drop into the filter and we can filter according to this. So first is I'm going to tell you about the filter cell. So I'm going to rename this filter cell, this page, right click, rename and filter cell. Okay. So this sheet name is become filter cell now. Now I'm going to drag the subcategory into filter. Fine. Once you drag, a dialog box will be appear. Now, so here list selection from the list, custom value like that. Okay. Then yeah, wait. Hold on. Let me drag and drop again. Okay. Now, if you want, you can choose whatever the this subcategory which is visible here. See, all the subcategories are visible here. Accessories, appliances like that here. Accessories, appliances, art, blinder, bookcase, chair, copier, everything from here. Okay. I want to choose some particular things like accessories, then blinder, then maybe chair, after that machine, and then you want supplier and click OK. See, accessories, blinder, chair, machine, and supplier. So we can filter the data. Okay, now we can compare the values and all. So this is called filter cell. Okay. Now if you want, you can how to remove the filter cell. See. So we created a filter. So here it says that open Tableau, drag a field to the filter cell and select required value. So we drag and drop subcategory into this and then we choose the required required value and click OK. After that, how to remove the filter? Locate filter on a filter cell, right click and the filter and select remove. Here removes. So it's gone. Even though if you click a filter here, let's see, here I choose, let's suppose 5 filter from top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and okay. If you want, right click and remove. Okay, that is also okay. Otherwise, hold, drag and drop into the empty space. So filter will go on. Done. Then second is interactive filter. Copy this, create a new sheet, right click, rename, interactive filter, click OK. This is interactive filter. How to create an interactive filter? Same way, just drag the cell into the column, subcategory or anything into the rows. Again, same data set appear here. Now, what is interactive filter? So, filter self we already discussed. What is interactive filter? So, we can interact. How to create it? So, drag subcategory into filter. Okay, and I just say OK here. Done. Once it's OK, so I select all. So each subcategory is visible. Now right click here and go to show filter. So once I click on show filter, all the options are visible here now. Now you can easily interact with the dashboards, like select this one, then select this one, then this one. So it's visible. You can anytime interact. Not like simple filter cell, because a dialog will be disappear. So here you can interact. Now I want to deselect this and select this one. So we are going to interact with the dashboard. Okay. So that is called interactive filter. Okay. Now if you want to remove this, just drag and drop into empty space. So it's gone. Okay. Now after that we have another filter called header. So it's nothing but if I click on the header, see, but I want to compare the with others. So again click on this. So I want to compare the 2 or 3. How to click? Control, choose, maybe 3, and click on keep. Miss. Wait. Keep, keep only. So only keep the 3 selected filter value. Others are gone. So if you want, okay. So this is called header. Now ligands. So I'm going to create a new sheet for ligands. Right click, rename, click OK. Legends. I'm going to choose the data set like again cells into the column, and then subcategory into the rows. Yeah. Now I want to create a ligands. So how to create a ligands? Choose any of the other options like maybe if I choose some categories into filter or color, see whatever, divided into the these are subcategories, or throw it back, choose market into color. So according to the country, it's divided the color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 country here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. I think for accessories, the seventh country is not here. Yeah, this data is not available for the seventh country. So this is available. This is available. Green is available. This is available. Canada is not available. So I think there is no sales of accessories in Canada during this. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. All the subcategories are here. Okay. Now, if you want to check for the Africa and affect Canada, these are the Canada. Then okay, so you can compare. Let's suppose Africa and this one, or maybe this, the bigger value may be Canada, but versus this one. Yeah. Now keep only me. See, so only two data. One is for EU and other is for APAC. And these are the accessories. Yes. So this way we can create a ligands. If I remove the ligands, so this way we can create a ligands. So we have four type of uh, four way we can filter, like filter by cell, filter by interactive filter, header and ligands. Okay. After that we can go for next, that is filtering continuous date, dimension and measure. Okay. So a continuous date filter. So continuous dates show a timeline. Example, filter cells between January 2023 and December 2023. So it will give you the data between this. So we can filter the data from January 2022 to December 2023, 1 year data. So we can use filter. How? Drag order date to the filter, choose relative date and range of date and click OK. Let's try. So I'm going to remove the market from here and let's go back. Fine. Now sum of sales and category, and according to this, drag order date to the filter. Where is the order date? Here. Drag and drop into the filter. Once you filter, you will get this one. Relative date, range date. So I want range date. Now, next. Once you click next, you will see this. Range. Now select the range. 1st January 2011 to 31st December 2014, not 14, 2011 only. So it will show you 1 year data because 1st January 2011 to 31st December 2011. Click OK. Find whatever the value here is only for 1 year. That is 2011. Okay, if I want, let's suppose, wait. So if I want another way, hold on. Again, order date into this filter and range. Say OK. And 2 year data. Now I want 2 year data. So 11 to 2012. Done. And apply. So now this is 2 year data. See. So this is, you can create order date to filter. Filter from Jan 2023 to December 2023. So this is called filtering continuous date. Fine. After that, dimension in a filter. So dimension are category fields like reason, category, segment. Okay. Instead of date, I can choose dimension filter. So dimension are categorical fields like reason. You just drag into the empty field and choose reason. Where is the reason? Here, and put into the filter. Fine. So reason is Africa, Canada, all the reasons. Okay, wait. Actually, when I click OK for this, what happens? Nothing. Wait. Yeah. Wait. If I choose show filter, then what happens? Yeah. Now, Africa, Canada, Central Asia. Okay. When I touch, see, these are the cells in particular region. If you want to change, just click on this and choose some others like South Asia, Southeast Asia. So this way we can choose region-wise filter. We can filter the data. Fine. Now let's cancel the region. Go for another, that is category. Category-wise filter. Where is the category? Here. Drag and drop it to the filter. So obviously we have three categories, that is furniture, office supply, technology. I just choose all and click OK. So this is all. Again, go to this filter and choose show filter. So this is more easy, right? Show filter. It's always appear. Now we can modify. Anytime we can modify and again arrange it. See, bookcase, chair, furnishing and table. These are the subcategory of furnitures. Okay. I want technology also. And you, okay, see. Now for technology, let me choose only the technology. So accessories, copier, machine and phones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are the subcategory of technology. Put all. So it will show you the furniture, office supply and technology, everything. That is called category filter. Now remove this. Then we can go for segment. Segment filter. Where is the segment? Segment. Choose, drop. So consumer, corporate and office, home office are the segment. Okay. If you want, you can choose like this and this only two part and apply. But you cannot modify. Okay, like create a filter into the interactive filter. We cannot interact. Once just created and it's disappeared. So I'm going to create an interactive filter. Click show filter. Now only two segment are selected. I'm going to select all filter. So it shows the all the subcategory of sum of sales according to the segment. Okay. If you compare two segment like consumer and corporate, just remove this. See. So two segment are compared. Okay. So that is called dimensional filter. After that, measure filter. Okay. So measure are numerical values like example sales, profit, quantity. How to do that? Drag measure to the filter and select some average range. Let's try. So already sum is here, category is here. Let me drag this out. Okay, hello. So I'm going to choose if first sales. Let's try for sales. Drag sales into the filter. Now, what do you want to do? I want to do sum or wait. All values. Say next. Fine. Say okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do? Just click and show filter. Yes. It shows, but something. Hold on. I don't think so. So drag the cells into the filter and choose sum and say next. Range of value minimum this one and maximum this one and click OK. So it's showing the sum. Okay. Let's suppose if I want to create a edit filter. Reset. average, or median, maximum. So maximum sales here, or even you want the not maximum, wait, measure, count. So it's a count. Here count of sales. Alright. So this way, yes, this way we can create a measure. Or if you want, you can go for profit also. Let's try for profit at least one. Profit, drag and drop into the filter. Now I want maximum. Let's click OK. Range of value. Okay, this way we can create a maximum profits. So drag of measure of the filter. Fine. So date, dimension, and measure of the filter. Now I'm planning to discuss from here filtering to the tab in Tableau from tomorrow from here, and we will finish the this module also. Okay, it's 11 a.m. now, or p.m. So filtering in a Tableau, we can start from here. Okay, just go and revise how to create a filter. It's easy. Okay, good night.